Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are going to learn to knit this beautiful and easy 2 rows repeat pattern. You can use this pattern in your lady sweater, jean sweater, hat, cardigan, and also you can knit this edge of border. You can also knit this edge of border. See, this is the pattern. Wrong side looks like this. So this is only 2 rows repeat pattern, and before you start the repeat, first you will need to knit one base row and then you will start the repeat pattern. So this is only 2 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast and multiples of 4 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4 and 1 extra stitch here. Sorry, it's not focusing. 1 extra stitch here and 2 edge stitch on both sides. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 15 stitches on my needle, which is 4 plus 4 plus 4, 3 times 4 12, and 1 extra stitch plus 1 extra stitch 13 and 2 edge stitch 15. So row 1, first you will need to knit one base row and then you will start the repeat. So this is the base row and you will knit this base row only for this time. So base row wrong side, this is going to be our wrong side. Base row wrong side, your edge stitch purl on the wrong side and start the repeat from here. Knit 1, knit 1 and purl 3. 1, 2 and 3. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 1, purl 3. Again knit 1, repeat that again. Knit 1 and purl 3. 1, 2 and 3. One more repeat. Knit 1 and purl 3. 1, 2 and 3. So we have done 3 repeats here from here to here, and after you finish all repeats for a last 2 stitches, 1 extra stitch and 1 edge stitch. Knit 1, edge stitch, bring that in front and slip on the wrong side. Row, now we're going to start the repeat from here. So row 1 right side, your edge stitch, knit through the back loop and start the repeat from here. Purl 1 and yarn in back, and from these 3 you're going to knit the first stitch. Knit 1, and from these 2 we're going to knit this second stitch first. Knit this second stitch first and then this first stitch. So knit the second stitch first, see, like so, and without dropping off, knit first stitch. That's the repeat. Purl 1, knit 1, and for these 2 knit the second stitch first and then first stitch. Repeat that again. Purl 1, yarn in back, knit 1, knit the second stitch first, see, and knit the first stitch. One more repeat. We have one more repeat. Purl 1, knit 1, knit the second stitch first and knit the first stitch, and your last 2 stitch, purl 1, edge stitch, knit 1. Row 2 wrong side. For row 2 wrong side, your edge stitch, slip on the wrong side and start the repeat from here. Knit 1, purl 1, from these 3 stitches purl the first stitch, and then here for these 2 we're going to purl 1 together, purl the second stitch first and then this first stitch. So we're going to insert our right hand needle from the back side and purl this stitch, second stitch, like you purl the second stitch and then purl the first stitch. That's the repeat. Knit 1, purl the second stitch and then first. Repeat that again. Knit 1 and in front, purl 1, purl the second stitch first and then purl the first stitch. Knit 1 and in front, purl the first stitch, purl 1 and then purl the second stitch and purl your first stitch. And in back, knit 1, last 2 stitch, knit 1, edge stitch and in front and slip. So that's the repeat from here to here. That's the repeat. Now you repeat these 2 rows, row 1 and row 2, over and over again until you reach your desired length. I'm going to repeat this one more time. See, your edge stitch, knit through the back loop and in front, start the repeat, purl 1, knit 1, and for these 2 stitch, knit the second stitch first and then knit the first stitch. Repeat that again. Purl 1, knit 1, knit the second stitch first and then first stitch. One more repeat. Purl 1, knit 1, knit the second stitch first and your first stitch. Last 2 stitch, purl 1, edge stitch, knit 1. Row 2, wrong side, your edge stitch, slip on the wrong side and start the repeat from here. Knit 1, yarn in front, purl 1, purl your second stitch first and then your first stitch. That's the repeat. These 4 stitches again. Knit 1, yarn in front, purl 1, purl your second stitch and your first stitch. Knit 1, yarn in front, purl 1, purl your second stitch and then your first stitch. Last 2 stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, yarn in front, slip on the wrong side. So that's the repeat. We have done 2 repeat here, and now repeat these 2 rows, row 1 and row 2, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after a few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.